Greetings, travelers, handyman, hobos, wannabes, fixer-uppers. We're back outside here with this plumbing leak. What you see here is what I pulled out, and they have copper going into the house with a valve between it, 60-year-old, 50-year-old valve, and about 3 feet of copper going to PVC. Now PVC goes all the way back to the main cutoff. So why are they using copper? Why didn't they run PVC all the way to the valve and inside the house? Well, let me explain it to you.
Won't you come on in? Miracles, I guess, still happen now and then.
Thanks, Eddie.
Step into my heart.
It's Eddie Arnold, 1971. What's going on back here? This looks like a homeless encampment or something. This is my world. Welcome to my world. So that piece of copper and valve and all that started here. We had copper going down to a valve. That valve was actually almost in the dirt. It still works, but while we're here. And then you had 4 feet of copper coming across attached to PVC with a threaded connector. But why is this? Why didn't they run PVC all the way to the house? Well, the mysteries of plumbing, I can tell you what this was. It was a Friday. Contractor said, "Come on, get that water line in. I'm leaving at 2 o'clock. But boss said, "We're out of PVC. Well, what's on the site? Anything? Well, we got some copper over here." Then finish it up with copper. Hurry up. That's probably what happened on a Friday. Contractor ran out of stuff. Just used what he had. And it lasted this long, but not good, not good. So what we're going to do here, I'm not even going to pause this thing. This camera stuff, I just don't get it.